What if your toilet could tell you how healthy you really are? No, it's not science fiction. It's Kohler's newest creation, a smart camera that watches your stool, and turns it into real health data. Kohler, known for redefining bathroom design, has just stepped into the world of digital health with the Dekoda, a discreet smart camera that mounts directly to your toilet. Powered by advanced imaging and AI, Dekoda doesn't just observe, it analyzes. Dekoda studies your stool's shape, consistency, and frequency to reveal insights about your gut health. It even measures moisture levels to determine whether you're drinking enough water. And if something seems off, like the presence of blood, it immediately alerts you via the companion smartphone app. Dekoda's brilliance lies in its simplicity. It installs without tools, fits most regular toilets, and connects via Wi-Fi 5. Its integrated battery is fully removable and rechargeable through USB-C. No messy tables, just smart convenience. And because every household is unique, Dekoda supports multiple users. With an optional remote control featuring a fingerprint sensor, each person's data stays private and personalized. Your gut health says more about your well-being than you might think. By analyzing patterns and trends over time, Dekoda helps you understand your digestive system and spot changes before they become problems. The Kohler Dekoda transforms one of life's most routine moments into a window of insight. Because sometimes the key to better health is already in your bathroom. Dekoda is available now in the US for $599, with more regions coming soon. To learn more, visit Kohler's official website.